Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance
to the flag
of the United States of America
and to the republic
for which it stands,
one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, FM. We are parents from Open House, and today is Friday, September 27th, an odd day. I'm Hunter Metnick's mom.
And I'm Craig Plew, Carson Plew's mom.
I'm Milo's mum.
And I'm Mrs. Karen, the mother of Ariana Karen, a junior, and Lexi Karen, a freshman.
And I'm Monica Ignazik, Julia's mother.
I'm Mrs. Isley, Gavin and Alana's mom.
And I'm Mrs. Cattell, Olivia and Jackson's mom. And in today's announcements,
are you in the mood to laugh? The Back to School Improv Show is today in the Black Box at 7 o'clock. Admission is $5.
Senior quotes are due by October 11th, so find your most school-appropriate quote and drop them in the SAO by then.
You may have realized that there's no school on Monday, but do you know why? Here's Danielle.
Shalom kulam, it's Danielle. Today we're going to go through the hallways and we're going to see who knows why we have Monday off and what Rosh Hashanah actually is.
Why we have Monday off? It's a holiday.
Do you know which holiday?
It's Rosh Hashanah.
Do you know why we have Monday off?
Rosh Hashanah.
We have Monday off?
Yeah. Can you explain it to us?
No.
It's a Jewish holiday.
Do you know what it's called?
Rosh Hashanah.
Do you know what Rosh Hashanah is?
I think it's the Jewish New Year.
She got it. Happy New Year. Bye, FM.
Thanks, Danielle. And since we have no school on Monday, Spirit Week starts on Tuesday.
The FM Observatory is once again looking for students to serve as volunteers at the Elementary Astronomy Night on Tuesday, October 1st from 6 to 8:30 p.m.
Anyone interested can sign up with Mr. Meyerhofer in room 2226.
Bentley University, Lehigh University, and New England Institute of Technology will be in the House 2 conference room today. Please see Ms. Ferran for the schedule and a pass.
Now, over to Jack and Vince with the latest update in the Hornets Corner.
Hello and welcome back to the Hornets Corner. This week we're highlighting the girls soccer team after a great senior night against Liverpool.
Today we caught up with seniors Laura Bonomo and Lauren Farella to see how the season is going so far.
Thanks guys, I'm here with the girls from the girls soccer team. They're off to a 7-1 start. They won sectionals last year. How are you guys using that sectional victory as momentum going into this year?
After winning sectionals, we all came in really strong, and we have 11 seniors this year, and we all want to go even farther than we went last year.
You guys lost your top goal scorer and your goalie. How have you guys filled in those roles this season?
Our goalie has really stepped up this year, and now because we have so many new underclassmen, everyone can score, and we've been really working on finishing.
You guys took a tough loss to Beeville. How are you guys preparing to get back at them later in the season?
We've been working on finishing a lot more, and we've also been working on winning 50-50 balls.
All right, back to you guys in the studio.
Thanks, guys. Good luck to the girls this Saturday versus Shenango Forks, whoever the heck that is.
Next segment we'll be covering the boys soccer team. Thanks for tuning in to another edition of Hornets Corner.
Thanks, guys. Well, that's all we have for today. I'm Anique, Milo's mum, and
Nick Melfi, Sophia and Lucia's dad.
I'm Hunter Metnick's mom.
And I'm Craig Plew, Carson Plew's mom.
I'm Sharon Karen, and
I'm Monica Ignazik.
I'm Mrs. Isley.
And I'm Mrs. Cattell.
Have a great day, FM.